Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? Is everything okay? It's a happy day to be alive. It's a blessed day to be alive today. Okay, I'm going to just show you what I'm going to cook today. I'm going to cook some rice, callaloo. Callaloo rice, have you ever eaten that before? Okay, I'm going to show you how I cook it. I'm going to blend the callaloo and put it in the rice. Okay guys, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Also, I'm going to cook some saltfish here. Can you see it? Saltfish. Sorry guys, I don't have a mic. Everything is broken, so I have to speak very loud for you to hear. Okay guys, so this is my saltfish with okra. Do you know okra? They call it lady's finger or lady finger. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I cut my okra. I do it like this, just like this guys, like this, and then I cut this off. And you can cut it up small in whatever pieces you want, but I'm going to cook it separate and show you how I do it. Okay guys, so I have this all washed, so I'm going to wash these two and put it in everything together. Okay, so I'm going to cook my okra here. Water is all ready, so I'm going to put it here like this, and I'm going to put my saltfish in this pot. After, you can see guys, my saltfish is right here. So I'm going to turn, the water is all hot, so I'm going to turn it up. So watch as I go guys. I'm going to put a little salt in this. You can cook your okra with your saltfish together, but I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to cook it separate. So it's tomato with saltfish and onion and okra. And I'm going to put the rice and the callaloo. Okay, so watch as I go guys. You can see the pot boiling. And you see the pot boiling up guys? This is my okra. And guys, you can store it like this. I bought it at the store, and then I store it like this and put it in the freezer. Can you see guys? You can do it that way. It's easy to spoil, so you have to do it like this. Okay guys, you can wash them, cut them up to make it easier for you, and you put it in your freezer. Okay guys, so my pot is here boiling. So watch as I go. Okay guys. Yes guys, so I'm going to blend. So my okra is all cooking, also my saltfish. Okay guys, so I washed these already. This is my callaloo. It was frozen. I put them to be frozen because if you don't do it like that, in these countries they will spoil. So what I do, I frozen it. Okay guys, so I'm going to blend it to let you see. I already washed it, stripping and everything. So guys, look at it. It's callaloo rice. See there? It's dark, but it's good. They're all good. So you do like this. So you strip your callaloo before you put it in the frozen it. Can you see? Okay, I'm going to blend it to let you see. It's not going to be that green as when it is fresh, but that's okay. That's okay guys. And if you add other vegetables that you want to put in it, you can put it in it also. can see, guys. I'm going to blend it. You can see? I'm going to blend it some more. Then you strain it like this. You can see it? That's my callaloo. Gonna get some more water in it. You can see, guys. That's it. I'm going to use the water to cook my rice. It doesn't matter the look of the callaloo, as long as it's good. Because it's frozen, it turned dark, but it's still good. You can see, guys. You squeeze it out like this. Can see it? Squeeze it out like this. Alright. And you can put more water in it. I'm going to show you how I put more water in it, guys. Just a little bit more water. And my okra is cooking. Sometimes they can be very hard. So I'm going to pour some more water in this one. Guys. And that's it. Squeeze out a little more water. And that's it, guys. So my saltfish is all cooked. This is my saltfish, it's all cooked. And guys, remember to put your saltfish to soak. Ouch. See it? It's my saltfish. going to use the same pot to cook my rice. So this is my coconut. Not coconut, sorry. I was just wondering if I should put some coconut milk in it. But this is my callaloo rice. Guys, can I put some coconut milk in it? I was just wondering, that's why I say coconut. This is it, guys. And then you put your season, whatever season you want to put in it, you put it in it. Okay, guys? So I'm going to put a little salt in it. If you want to put margarine, butter, whatever you want to put in your callaloo pot, no problem. But I'm not going to put anything, any of those in it. I'm just going to cook with a little bit of salt. Okay, guys? Or this is my salt. You can put a little bit of Maggi. Just a little bit to give it a little bit taste. But you can make it spicy if you want. Yeah? Just a little bit of Maggi. You can see, guys? So you put to your taste. Margarine, whatever you use to do your plain rice or rice and peas, you can put it in your callaloo also. Yes, guys, so this is my water for my rice. Okay, guys, so I'm going to wash my rice now and put it in. And as I say, put whatever seasoning you want to put in your rice. Okay, guys? So this, my water is all ready. So I'm going to put my rice in. I already washed it, on the sink is on the other side. Okay, guys. And guys, if you want to put coconut milk in it, that's okay. That's fine for you guys. Always wipe your stove when it's spilled. You can see it. You season if you want scallion, thyme, whatever you put in it. Okay, but I don't want any of those because I'm going to put everything in there already. Okay, guys. So it's going to stay there like 12 minutes or so. Okay, guys? So my okra is all cooked. And guys, let me tell you something. This water here that you see, I'm going to drink it after. Very nutritious. It's very good. Okay, guys? I'm going to take, look at it. I'm going to throw it off like this, guys. You can see? You can cut it up very small if you want. Okay, guys? So this is it. So I have my again. You turn on your fire when it's all boiling. Remember guys to put margarine in it. I don't put any in mine. When you turn on your fire for the next 12 minutes or so. Okay guys? I'm going to take care of my saltfish now. And over here I have my, no you cannot see, I have my pot here for my saltfish. Okay guys, I'm going to turn on my fire. And this is the saltfish. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in it. It is, guys. I'm waiting on the pot, guys, and my rice is cooking. You can see the color? This can drink. And guys, you can put your okra, you can cut it up and put it in your drinking water. It's very good. Okay, I'm going to get my saltfish all ready. Guys, remember to take out your bones. See guys? pot is getting hot, guys. You can see the oil? Not much oil. See my rice there? This is my sweet pepper. So my pot is all ready now, guys, as you can see. And my saltfish and my okra all ready. And guys, you put whatever seasoning you want to put in it, whatever spice you want to put in, you can put it. So you try your pot with a piece like this, piece of the onion if it's hot. See, guys? See my rice here? It's a dark color, but it's good. So I'm going to put my seasoning in first. I'm not going to put the onion, the tomato in it. I like when my tomato is a bit hard. So this is it, guys. You put whatever season you want in it. You see it's boiling over. Raise my fire a bit. You can put a little bit of margarine in this. Also, you can put a little of this, tomato ketchup, not much. Okay guys, I'm going to put my tomato in now. You see? As I say guys, you use what you have, okay? You see? Beautiful. And then you can keep a little of water. A little bit of water in it like this. You see, guys? You can dip a little bit more sauce in it, tomato sauce, okay. Or whatever sauce you want to have. You can put some seasoning in it. So I'm going to put some Maggi seasoning. See guys? Not much oil. I'm cutting back on my oil. Okay guys? No bones. You see? You see? So I'm going to put a little bit more water in it. See my rice there? I want no bone in. There's a piece of bone here. I don't want no bone. Okay, see the bone here? That's the bone. So it's all ready now. All ready guys. So I'm going to put my okra in it. Okay guys? And if you want to cut it smaller, in small bits and pieces, that's fine, that's okay. But I don't like when it is cut. I like to put it in like this. Like this guys. And then you do a thing like this. Can you see it guys? You see? Let me show you. Let me put the camera up a bit. You can see it now guys? I hope you can see it properly now. So this is my saltfish. And guys, if you want to put more margarine or butter or more seasoning, you put it to your taste. Okay? If you want to put more ketchup, whatever season you want, you put it to your taste. Okay guys? If you want it to be spicy, you put it to your taste. So this is my finished product now guys. This is my finished product. Let me taste it. Let me see. See, it's all ready, guys. See? It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So you make it stay there and simmer a bit. Okay? Yes guys, I have a little rosemary here with cloves and thyme. So I'm going to put a little bit in it. Okay guys. And I have a little black pepper here. So I'm going to tip a little black pepper in it. If you want to, if you don't want to, that's fine. You can see it? Just a little dust. You can see it? It's all ready. All ready guys, all ready. Can see it guys? So it's saltfish with okra, or they call it lady's finger, and tomato, sweet pepper, a little ketchup I put in it, some rosemary and thyme and cloves. Okay guys, but you put whatever you want in it. You can see my saltfish there. You can see guys. This needs some real dumpling, cornmeal dumpling, but today no, it's rice. Okay guys, so my fire is off now. Thanks for watching, and remember guys, thanks for those who subscribe to my channel, thanks for those who view my channel, those who share my channel with other people. Thank you very much. And those that I'm expecting to subscribe to my channel also, Thank you very much. Thanks to everyone who subscribed to my channel. I love you guys. And may the good Lord bless you. And may the good Lord continue to keep you. Okay, guys? So my rice is all here. I'm still waiting on the rice. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching. Thank you for loving up my videos. Okay, guys? Alright, see you. Yes, guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching. And this is my finished product now. Okay, guys, and this is my callaloo rice. Okay, guys. Okay, you can try it at home and make a comment and let me know. Okay, guys.
Okay, guys, what's up, guys? I hope everyone is doing well. I'm gonna try the callaloo rice and the okra and saltfish, Jamaican style, guys. I urge you to try and cook it, or cook it the way or you want to cook it. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna try and see how it is. Okay, guys, it's good. I haven't tried callaloo rice in a long while, but it's good. Definitely, it's good. I recommend this to anybody, or you can try different recipe as it regards for the rice, but definitely the okra and saltfish. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, you have come to the end of this video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys, and turn on the post notification bell. So until then, guys, see you in another video.